My name is Stuart and I am the landlord of the Ty Coch Inn, and I've been in business for the last 12 years.
Yep.
My biggest challenge today would have been the large increase in customers over the last 3 years. I wouldn't do anything in hindsight, but maybe just be a little bit more prepared. My greatest achievement, or proudest moment, will be named the third best beach bar in the world, which was given to us in 2012. It has increased trade and turned everything, made business brilliant really. My best marketing advice would be to use social media to its full effect. The power of the internet is almost unquantifiable when it comes to business. Where the third best beach bar was all done through the internet, and I can't believe how many people actually find us through Facebook, Twitter and our website. Traits for a successful business person would be polite, punctual, driven, taking it not too seriously but seriously at the same time. Business top tips. Number one, if you have a staff, treat your staff well, because you look after your staff, they'll look after you. Punctuality, always be there when you're supposed to be there. Never, no dodging work. And three, know your market. Know the trade you're in. Research it.